Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again.
Dance that we do in the dark. It's a fine line on the straight razor's edge. At the first glance, it's an innocent lark, till it's romance and it goes to our heads. I'm just a buyer and you are a seller, but you can't be a seller if there's no one to sell to. You want my money and I want your loving, and even though we're fighting it, we need each other to get it. So give me what I want, girl, give me what I need. Give me what you got, give me everything. Give me what you got, give me everything. Oh, give me what I want, girl, give me what I need. Give me what you got, give me everything. Give me what you got, give me everything, and I'll pay the price. Now we can be friends if the number's right, but I ain't gonna buy if the cost is too high. No, I ain't gonna pay for that kind of night. You ain't worth my time. You ain't worth my dime. No, you ain't worth my time. You ain't worth my dime. I'm just a buyer and you are a seller, but you can't be a seller if there's no one to sell to. You want my money and I want your loving, and even though we're fighting it, we need each other to get it. So give me what I want, girl, give me what I need. Give me what you got, give me everything. Give me what you got, give me everything. Give me what I want, give me what I want, girl, give me what I need. Give me what you got, give me everything. Give me what you got, give me everything, and I'll pay the price.
First 15. Oh, yeah. It's so clear. You don't mind. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands. That's dinero. He don't mind. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands. That's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on the gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to trip. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, on a ship, turned into a trip. We in and out quick. Let my head go, heat in my head go. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands. That's dinero. Let my head go, heat in my head go. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands. That's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Poppy need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet, and you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt, but you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, on and doing shit, and I did it again. Quantum shift, on and doing shit. We in and out quick, and my head too. You the mindset too, you the mindset too. Do a quick 5 thing, turning up on both hands. That's the middle, that's the middle. And my head too, you the mindset too, you the mindset too. Do a quick 5 thing, turning up on both hands. That's the middle, that's the middle. They said trading was easy, but they didn't know about me. You just enter and exit, it's simple, but you never know what's in store. So much noise, gotta stay nimble, gotta stay in the flow. The banks and the quants, they hate us. Those little guys are getting paid. They make it impossible to trade. The algorithm's getting smarter, they're playing us all harder. The spread's getting larger. They want us to give up, go back to work, give it up. Back to the 9 to 5, give it up. Back to the 9 to 5, give it up. But we never give up. It's all you versus the machine. The mark is me, the mark is me. It's all you versus the machine. The mark is me, the mark is me. The banks and the quants, they hate us. Those little guys are getting paid. They make it impossible to trade. The algorithm's getting smarter, they're playing us all harder. The spread's getting larger. They want us to give up, go back to work, give it up. Back to the 9 to 5, give it up. Back to the 9 to 5, give it up. But we never give up. It's all you versus the machine. The mark is mean, the mark is mean. It's all you versus the machine. The mark is mean, the mark is the machine is not our enemy. They want you to give up. It's not me, it's not me. They want you to give up. It's not me, it's not me. They want you to give up. It's not me, it's not me. They want you to give up. It's not me, it's not me. They want you to give up. It's not me, it's not me. Your biggest enemy, your family, your friends, they don't believe in your dreams. It's all you versus society. They want you to give up. It's not me, it's not me. They want you to give up. It's not me, it's not me. It's not me, it's not me. They want you to give up. It's not me, it's not me. It's not me. They want you to give up. The mark is me, the mark is me, the mark is me. But the mark is me. But the mark is me. it's the end of the month, and you finally see yourself. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Pockets getting tight, it's the end of the month, and you finally see a setup and you wanna get in front. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. Yeah. You know how you get in when you see a trade you want. Yeah. I gotta be in. The charge calling out your name, and you see the play you need to make, and you think, man, and I'm be sick if I miss it. The feel missing, now they got you acting different. Cause you just wanna go all in, and you know it probably gon' end up in a loss, man. It's hard to just be patient, but you know you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait, 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 you gotta wait for confirmation.
One move, then the next, no drift, no maybe, no stall. I want the whole damn wall. Every inch wants more. Every wind opens a door. If the wheel keeps turning clean, you can feel it in your skin. Don't bet the doubt. Don't feed the brake. When it locks in place, that's the shape of fate. Leading hard, let it pull you through. One true signal and I'm all in tow. It's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. In the tape room, same rule. Read the candles, read the fools. If the setup feels alive, I don't blink. I've seen good enough die slow. Seen bright stars never grow. But when the edge feels true, I go harder than I knew. Momentum, yeah, once it's live. Don't drag the chain, let it drive. Small steps stack, then the whole thing flips. One clean hit and the river rips. No split focus, no weak knees. One clear lane, one clean squeeze. If the yes hits deep in the bone, then you send it like it's already home. Life don't hand out second chances, not to hesitations, not to glances. So I could lose the tired and tame, burn the ships if I call your name. When the pulse says run, I don't question why. That kind of hunger learns to fly. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. One good yes can change the room. One true move can split the gloom. some king, and I know what to do. The sun clocked out on me.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Oh, yeah. Wake up, saints and sinners. Screens glow, spirit lifted. It's the Big Daddy Morning Show. Yeah. Tap in. Get blessed by the breakout. Yeah.
We don't do it for financial advice, pussy. It's entertainment.
It's that Big Daddy Morning Show. Praise hands up when
Look at the dump. Holy shit. Bang, 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 bang. TP.
entertaining thing on the internet. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the
Keep on the strong stop losses at orb.
I said, my first day here. How often do you hit like this, Max? Every fucking day.
Welcome back to the Big Daddy Morning Show. It's your boy, Big Daddy Max, and I'm with the one and only Lama, Red Pajama, Mr. Sober Pay to play. It's August 26th already. What the fudge? How did it become October or August 26th already, twin? God damn, boy. God damn, boy. But we are live. Lama, talk to me one time for the one time. How is you feeling?
Tired, Grandpa. I'm in this long. Probably just gonna take a partial right here.
Oh, Rama, I'm so tired. Big sleepy boy. Yeah, I like the long.
Partial
Yeah.
here. Next level is gonna be here at PD50, and then see if we get to this gap up here.
Oh, PD50, Rama. Very nice. Very sexual. Yes, you're in the wrong. Very sexual. Wow, Rama's in the wrong. He's very sexual. Okay.
Here's the position. There's the PD50. I'm gonna take another 5 there, and next target is gonna see if we can get into this gap or not. Right here. If we can get into this gap, I'll take another partial.
All
Right
right.
in here. PD50 is going to be a strong area though.
Oh.
Yes, is very weak. And there goes the top into that gap. I'm going to take another partial here.
Oh.
And we're going to see if we break through that now.
Oh.
Way to the 400s.
Oh, 400s. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. What else is new, man?
Bro, I'm exhausted. Baby
Oh no, Rama-san, you're very tired, yes?
Baby was on some shit last night. I'm not gonna lie. Baby was on some shit last night.
Baby was on Dookie Dookie
Strong
Stinky
area to
Stinky.
partial here, guys. In case it does reverse, ES is very weak. He has to play a lot of catch up if it's gonna get up there and rip.
My baby is Charlie Kirk.
Oh man, what a wick!
Oh,
Into this 50, I'm gonna put one more trail at that 50, and I'm still leaving the other one break even. I'm rolling 70, 80 points in profit right now.
I like the long. Yeah, I like the long Llama. Wow, it looks
We
so
can break
juicy.
through this. My next area is gonna be over here at 70. There is 100 points right there. Holy shit! What a move!
Llama, you just honestly, I'll fucking kiss you so hard on your mouth, dog. You don't even know how fucking hard I'll kiss you, dog. Say some shit, twin. I'll kiss the fuck out of you, dog. I'll kiss the living fuck
can
out
come
of you,
into
dog.
here, and NQ's got a really rib. My next target is 310, but this is super divergence. Yes, it's still kind of weak for me.
Bro.
I'm gonna move a trail all the way to 60 just in case. 55. I'll leave it at 55, right under this rib level here.
Look at my screenshots. Look at my screenshots. Look at my screenshots. Look at the chat right here, Llama. I just rode the long with 3 entries.
Jesus Christ. I pulled out a 1 there. My last runner is sitting still break even 100 points down. I'm going to move it up now to that wick at 50. That's a beautiful wick off the level. See if we catch another continuation. This has room to potentially go to 300. If not, it pulls me. And there was 100 something points.
Max is Charlie Kirk. I couldn't stop screaming that on the plane on the way home. It was really bad. I think Logan was getting embarrassed. I'm not sure because he wasn't showing emotion, but I kept saying,
Yeah, he'd be doing that.
I
He'd
was
be
just
getting
like
embarrassed.
having a little bit of tism, and it was just coming out.
Especially got closed out there.
It's because of Sam, the little tardo. But I was just screaming, Max is Charlie Kirk. I don't
There
like
was
I don't
the
like when I
full
do that.
trade. Let's throw it out here.
Nice drop down, Lama. What happened next now, Rama? Keep going, Pruz.
ES is very weak. If it breaks under this midline, this could just go all the way back down. I have a lot of targets over here at like this 29,100, but
Oh, I like the way you just
it'd
said.
have to really start flipping down if it's gonna go there.
I like
You
the
have
way
to really
you
start flipping.
just said midline, boy. Oh,
Fuck with that. Fuck with that
oh,
midline action.
fuck yeah, dude. It was so hot the way you just said midline, like you're Charlie Kirk. We are Charlie Kirk.
This body closes over this level and we get a triple respect. That'd be crazy.
SPX is looking bullish though. Watch SPX for a pump up here, newer high. Could close the gap. Could definitely close the gap. Let's see what happens here. Yep,
It's gonna be a triple body
yeah,
close for a go.
yeah. Watch this newer high here. That shit's looking sexy, as sexual as sex can get. Oh, I got 5 lucid dailies ready to go now. Be right back. I got 5 lucid dailies ready to go. I'm up over.
Activate them and send them, huh?
Ya tú sabes, papi. Activación. Activación y how do you say send them?
What?
How do you say send them in Spanish?
Mándalo.
Mandalo.
Mándalo with the M.
Mandalo.
Like
Mandelo.
Yeah, yeah.
Activación y Mandelo.
Like Nelson.
Activación y Nelson Mandelo.
Kind of tank in here. NQ back at midline. It's kind of tanking here. This was a perfect 786 on ES. It's a good enough up move for the whole down move to get E in here.
I like this fucking. Here goes SPX midline. Lama said it.
On both.
On a golden MVG, if this pops up and rejects midline on SPX, this is an ultimate short entry. Ultimate fucking short entry. If it rejects
the way I sniped that shit up and sniping it back down is getting kind of fucking lethal.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. Will you watch me masturbate?
Yes.
Because you got me aroused right now, twin.
I'm beyond aroused. You have no idea.
What you just did this morning, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm signing up for the pre-market. I'm signing up for. I'm gonna come to my first pre-market after what you just did.
That's my OnlyFans. How about that one?
You have an OnlyFans?
Yo,
if you did have an OnlyFans and it was just you mukbanging a fuck ton of food, like
mukbanging.
Yeah, if you just had
banging.
If you just
Max
is Charlie Kirk.
We talked about this. It's 50 tap. We need to see this continue here.
If you had a mukbang channel, bro, I'm not gonna lie.
If we take this low, I'm gonna partial. We just need to take this kind of low again.
Chat, put a one in the chat if you would watch Llama mukbang. Like seriously, put a 1 in the chat if you would watch Llama mukbang. Like just sit there and yap and slowly eat the greatest.
Gotta get full break even here. Jesus Christ, there's no way. Man, I was looking good. I was like 70 points in profit. Jesus Christ. All the way back up. That's wild.
Llama is Charlie Kirk.
I believe it stops at 83. It's got a tank now.
Upgrade to funded. Upgrade to funded. Upgrade to funded. Yeah.
Fuck.
Upgrade to funded and pop that shit. Upgrade your account to funded and pop that shit. Upgrade.
Send them right when you get them?
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna upgrade to funded and pop my shit. Upgrade to funded and I'm popping my shit.
I like that out of you. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's see you pop that puss.
I want to pop.
All right, we're rejecting. We need to go target these lows and break back under midline again. Not as
We are Charlie Kirk. Let's get this going. Let's get this going. I'm logging back into my trade debate right now.
We
SPX.
need to get back down there. ES is getting aggressive.
Oh, is this about to make a double pattern, an M pattern, aka droppity drop drop drop, poo poo poo. Gratata.
We should do an MOT mukbang one Tuesday.
Oh, you want to mukbang me for?
Why we do a fucking gangbang?
Yeah, let's do a gangbang with small people.
How does Lama say stuff like that and move on like nothing happened? I don't even know what you're talking about.
Lama is a trained professional. Lama, well, listen, when we first started this,
divergence. What the
you guys
fuck?
might not believe this, but when we first started trading together, Lama didn't speak for the first like month and a half. My boy was just vibing and trying to trade seriously. He was very quiet. He was just he'd just be quiet. Go back and watch January 2025. That boy was
We gotta
whispering.
make our way here.
That boy was whispering. And then something happened. I don't know exactly what it was, but then something happened. He came in.
There we go.
You know what it was? Oh man, that short looks so fucking good.
Right at midline. It's got to break this midline. This is the area here.
I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss it. You know what it was? Someone came on stage and called Lama gay one time.
No, you know what it was? Is I kept calling other people gay and kicking them off, and then it became a
Yes.
thing for them to call me gay and leave.
Yes, that was the bit. That was
We
the
need to
bit.
break this fucking midline, bro. This is the area here. ES is like gotta reject here because it's very strong. Very strong.
Yeah.
I feel like a big ass fuck you candle is gonna happen. I'd hate for it to be against me. This midline is the area here, bro. It's gotta break.
Yo, RIP to Dolly Parton. You can find a video of her reading Llama Llama Red Pajama on the internet. She had a crush on my boy Llama. That's a fact. Everyone knows that. Dolly had a big crush on Llama.
Add it to the list.
That's a fact. We all knew that.
Add it to the list. She had the big old knockers on her.
What? Did she have some kanushkis?
I think she had some Kanuskis.
Did Dolly have those bazookas?
I think she had some.
Ooh,
All right, I'm gonna have to let this one pull me here at 70. I don't want to go red on it.
Yeah, I don't like getting tugged around neither.
It's looking strong. It's my strong hand.
Yeah, I don't
How
like
big is
getting.
our orb today? We still have 5 minutes left on orb, but it looks wide. 100 points, not that bad. Yo, while you were gone in New York, we had a 200 something point orb. It was wild. Like one of the most insane orbs I've ever seen.
That's a thick
Reminded
boy.
me of your whispering eye.
That's a thick boy. If this candle breaks above the previous wick, I'm going long. If this candle breaks above, I'll test the long here. Let's watch this candle here because SPX is looking bullish. I want to see it topped the daily close of yesterday, which is a pump up to like 76, 77 on SPX. So if that happens, I'm going to see and Q about a pop. Hold on. Let's see if it breaks this little triangle. There it goes. Let's go. Let's see if this breaks. And I'll scale into an NQ trade. No confirmation. No nothing. No. You gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. No nothing. SPX, nothing.
Gotta break through this 50 here.
We're in a what is called a pattern of consolidation. And if it break above one previous wick to do, we will have an entry model. This we can trade. Do you see the little consolidation right here? Yes. It is a triangle. We wait for the break of the triangle and we enter the trade.
Back at midline, does it break it or not? This is the area of hesitation.
This is an area of sexualization.
This is the area of realization.
I realize I have not wiped my ass in 3 poops.
Wow. Did you at least use the bidet? All right, we're breaking. Need a break here, twin. I think I'm just going to partial at this midline. We're not giving it up. Might as well just pay myself every time we get here.
Yeah, bro.
I let it come back to my break even twice.
We are Charlie Kirk.
Look at that. Yep. Fucking nasty wick.
Take that schlong, get ready. Take that schlong and get ready. Take that schlong,
Well,
get
no,
ready. Get that
because
on.
ES is still
There goes. Nope. I like it.
straight.
Hold on. Here we go. Oh, rejected near the top. There goes SPX filling the gap, and NQ didn't move. Wow.
Gonna move. Kind of tells me I kind of want to give a little. Oh, downside. This is going to be the gap that we wanted to see hold here, but now it's here on ES. So maybe I can give a little. Oh, stinky. Oh, fucky. Let's see what happens here. It's all up to this next candle.
Whoa! There goes the Lord.
Candle.
Holy shit! There it goes.
There goes the fuck you candle. I felt it coming. I felt it coming, but I was coming.
I felt it in my.
I thought I was
God,
coming,
it
but
was
the
right in
candle
there.
was coming.
Oh my fucking God! It's right in there.
Don't. ES more aggressive than NQ. Yeah, it's been like that today. Kind of noticed it.
Way to push Orb out fucking half a mile, you piece of dog shit.
Yeah, now Orb's huge.
Now Orb is so fat and thick, but I am gonna take the long.
Got it.
I am gonna take that bitch though. Don't get it twisted. I am gonna ride that thing up. Don't get it twisted.
There's the 310 target I had in the long. If
There
it
we
breaks
go. There
this,
we
my
go.
next area is going to be 360,
There we
then
go.
400.
Yep.
It could be one of those days where that type of shit can happen. We have whatchamacallit? NVIDIA earnings today, I think.
Do we?
Yeah.
That's a huge breakout right above yesterday's price action into a range. That is a very
just now about to print though. And it's printing here at this the target I had on my this was my full TP on the long that I took earlier, but I ended up just getting trailed.
That's an attractive looking fucking trade. Lama, you on one today, twin. You must have got some you got some fucking you got something last night or something this morning or something. You know what I'm saying? I know you doing something, dog.
I got no sleep last night is what I got.
You act
baby up at 4, at 5, at 6. I got fucking depression is what I got.
I got clinical depression too.
I got stage 2 depression right now, twin. I'm exhausted. I'm A1 tired, boss.
I'm A1 tired, boss.
I'm A1 tired, grandpa.
Papa.
Now we have this big ass FEG. Like, what does it do here? Does it tap it and bounce, or does it just fucking retest?
Why is NQ so weak though? NQ's being such a bitch, dog. Like I'm about to go long again.
Today.
I'm about to go long again, but NQ's just being a bitch, bro. Like, but I'm probably gonna push long here. Oh, there we go. Okay, I mean I'll take it, but it's being a bitch though. Like, but go long, bro. Break out. Fuck, stop being a bitch. Look at this.
Let's see, Orb's printed. This is topside Orb. Both of them are at the top of it right now. If it breaks out, it's gonna be premium. You'd have to wait for it to really break 10 though.
SPX is broke. SPX is good.
Yeah, but ES and NQ aren't.
NQ's a weak ass little bitch.
Not really. It's up 200 points.
Is it?
It's not that weak. Yeah.
It's up 16 points on the day.
Right, because it was having a pretty big down move overnight. But on the open, it's up 150 points.
Was it?
Yeah. There's a tank back down from Orb. Decent scout, but you got to see what it does in this gap now. This gap is what's going to tell us everything.
Have you ever seen anything as sexual as Lama?
If it can break through that gap, then maybe. But right now, it's looking like it's going to wick out and pop back up ski.
Oh. Pop out the view details. Lama is Charlie Kirk.
Charlie?
Is this gonna dump now? I think we go for the short now.
First reward is worth all the way up there at that 300. Crispy.
Right. I think this is a short now.
Profit. This is the gap though. It's now hitting the midline of this gap. You got to see it break through. That midline tap is where it can bounce from.
What's the rule on lucid fundeds? What's the rule on that? Is it consistency? What is it? Or it's just daily cap?
I don't think they got no rules.
They ain't got no rules.
I don't think they got no rules.
What you mean?
I think you just YOLO it and see what happens.
Well, we did break back in the orb. I got the daily boys. I'm up a band in all of them. Should I just stop trading?
Nah, hell no. YOLO them shits.
Oh, fuck yeah. You want me to go alone, daddy? Hold on. Is this a 3-bar?
Potential.
Is this a 3-bar?
Potential. I just don't like how it bounced perfectly off the midline there.
I
Of
mean,
that gap.
if it wicks back up, you get out. But this is looking like a
Looking like it's gonna give a poppy.
whoa, Big Papa. I
Nope.
love the way you call me Big Papa. Put your hands in the air if you're a true player. I love the way you call me Big
A
Papa.
wick out.
Oh,
Ooh.
that's the sell, baby. That's the short.
It's gonna
That's the
happen here,
short.
Poppy Mignano.
3-bar down.
Yes,
3-bar
still in
down.
fucking equilibrium though. You need yes to get weak here. Yes needs to get weak here. If not, you have a problem. You have a problem on your hands there, boss.
Oh no.
You need yes to get weak here and break back under this level. Now you got a problem here, Haas.
You got a big problem. The problem is 10 a.m. reversal setup. I like the short here. I mean, we're inside of orb. It's got to break outside of orb, but ultimately, well, actually, no. These wicks got to hold. If it breaks below 80 to 83, yeah, I'll take a short below 80, 80, 83 on NQ. I'll take a short below that. I fuck with that. You fuck with that?
I fuck with that. So
I fuck with that.
this, if we could lose 83 and lose this level right here on the S at the same time, you're gonna see
Yeah.
that go back.
Yeah, I think an SPX breaks 79 in a couple quarters, and NQ loses 80. I think you got yourself a good looking short there, Hoss man. This is a good looking short there, Hoss man. There goes 80. Now we just needed to hold.
Making his way, but NQ's
No
kind
wick,
of
zone. No wick, zone. They
no,
know
man.
better. They know it. I'm going to target 50. Let's target 40 points on the short here. Here we go. Let's target 40 points. Drop it down to 50 and I ain't gonna say it, but I thought about it, but I ain't gonna say it. There it goes. Oh my God. Max put a stop loss at break even. I'm not gonna be one of those losers who loses the breach, but I am gonna hold. There we go. There we
Yeah,
go.
let's
Drop
go.
on down. I want to see 50. I want to see a 50 tap. Here we go. I want to see a 50 tap.
Solid. I mean, it's solid. It's solid work, but this is what I don't like is this previous resistance could turn support. It's looking perfect for the structure. It's got to break below this 50 ASAP. If not,
Holding it.
it's
Hold it, baby. Here we go. There's another newer low. We're holding short. We're holding it to the short. Come on. Let me see that.
he has midline already. If it loses that midline, you're talking about a payday and a half. Could have room for a big move.
I already
It's got to
know,
break
baby.
it though.
Come on. Come on. Here we go. Here we go.
That
Bang.
overdraft.
Bang. A little bit more juice. A little bit more of the juice. Let me get down to that 50, baby. Daddy wants a banger.
That
No red
orb
candles
rejection was
here.
too crispy.
No red candles here. No green. They're right. Drop on down to the 50 if you know what I mean, baby. We're up big on the short. Here we go. We're up big on the short.
Strong area here. This should be a partial look here.
Bang. Here we go. Give me that 50. Give me that
Gotta go.
50, 50, 50. What a little 50.
Gotta go here. Look at ES at the 50 right here. Previous 50.
Yep.
You need this to hold.
Yep.
Now you
And
have a problem in your hand.
stop loss at
If not,
70.
you got a
Stop
problem on
loss
your
at
hand.
70. Almost stopped me. Almost stopped me. And I'm out of the short. I'm out of the short. Stop me out right there, chat. Stop me out right there. The short. That was a great short. Great play, everybody. All right, I'm probably going to take a long now on the break back in and see if it pops up just a few points. Wow, just like that. Just like that. Yep, just like that. Just going to see if it pops back up. It's been very aggressive recently. Looking for a continuation candle. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. There it goes. Holy shit. We took the short. We're already back up 25 points on the long. There we go. Reversed it. 25 points on the long. Gonna hold it. Gonna put my stop at break even at 70, 72. Trimming some profit. Ooh, daddy, the way you reverse, how you do that? Let's
Oh, you
go. I
could
want
reverse and
now we
go.
reversed. We went long. We took the short down to the 50 and we went long right off of that bitch. Currently up 35 points. Currently up 35 points. SPX ripping sexually. I want to see an orb tap. We're holding for that orb tap.
I see we get up there. You need some good strength right now. I don't
Here's
like
the
that
short.
NQ wick.
Here's the short and here's the long.
I don't like that NQ wick
I
though.
stopped out right there. Yeah, I stopped out for the two. There's the short trades I scaled in, and then there's the long out. Wow, you can really dance.
Good dancer, Max.
I've thought about becoming a professional dancer several times, Lama.
I think you should, bro. I've seen your childbearing hips do things that are like very provocative.
You see my what?
Childbearing hips.
My child what?
Childbearing hips. I've seen your childbearing hips do things that are.
Don't call them childbearing hips. They're not. I don't give birth to children, Llama. All right.
I've seen your childbearing hips do things that Shakira wish she could do.
Did you see the Calvin Klein commercial with Tate McRae putting on her little jeans and shaking her tight little ass?
I don't know who Tate McRae is.
Because she hasn't had plastic surgery all over her body yet. But once she does, you'll know who she is.
I'll probably know who she is after that. I probably know who she is after
You
that.
guys haven't seen the new Calvin Klein commercial with Tate McRae. It's just a full indicator to me. It's almost like a recession indicator, but it's an indicator that America's back, baby. We're back. We're back. We got fine bitches shaking ass in skimpy little jean commercials
Where do you see a commercial at? You watch TV?
on X. I
Oh, you see
I follow like 90 Republicans who are radicalists who are like,
Is that her? That's the car?
yeah, that's her. And they're all like, America's back, baby. We have fine bitches throwing ass.
Wait, but that's a Calvin Klein commercial and this bitch has clothes on?
Well, she starts off in panties.
Ah.
Shows a little cheek. Shows a little cheek. The long's looking really good here, chat. I'm not gonna lie. That long is still looking good if you guys are in the schlong.
Long is going there. I'm not gonna lie, that orb projection was clean. The previous resistance is important here, paired up with the lower here, the clean.
Breaking orb, yeah.
Pretty clean walk downs today. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I've been feeling like the man when I walk through. Understand what you're saying when I walk through. Don't be ripping packs. Hey, NQ, don't be ripping packs, twin. This guy over here, choose your pack. Homie's over here fucking.
Another orb projections that it's got a 3-bar here if it's gonna be any good. Then you can go to potential 400 if it does that.
Rip
It's a good wick. That's a potentially pretty good wick. Tate McRae. It just sounds Caucasian.
Yeah, no, it is. It is. It's very
there it is. There it is. A good wick and flip off the 50. This shit's playing.
That was a sexual. The long is looking good, chat. Up over
There's
65 points from the initial entry if you're still in that. And it looks really good for a continuation to a newer high.
Let's see if it goes. Break back into orbit would be treacherous.
Rawr. Llama is Charlie.
Gotta see it just wick right again off the 50 again and make a newer high right now.
Is she hot or just not fat?
You gotta see here.
Babies, both. Both. It's like Sydney Sweeney, Tate McRae. We're just back in our Marilyn Monroe era. And we're just. But to be honest, they don't have to be that hot. I just don't like when they put. Here's a little friendly fire for you guys. I don't like when they put fat bitches in these commercials. Like that doesn't make me want to buy your clothes or buy my I don't want my to wear those clothes, and you know what I mean? Like it's not good marketing. If I was their marketing person, I wouldn't be like, yo, you see this fucking whale over here? Let's throw her in our biggest size that's custom order and and then you have to wait 3 weeks for it to be delivered to your house. Carry that mask in the store. I'm speaking for personal experience here. All right. This is friendly fire. I could say it. I am unable to fit in any clothes in the mall. Shoe size, shirt size, pant size. I don't fit in nothing in the mall.
That's why he doesn't wear underwear anymore.
So why the fuck would why the fuck would a clothing commercial look at me and be like, Max is gonna sell us out? No, Max is gonna make people get to the counter and go,
here.
Hey, we don't have enough fabric in the USA to build that, so we need to custom order it. It's going to take 3 weeks for you to get your. Oh, and by the way, they tax fat people. My pair of jeans, ain't $80. My jeans are like 240. So they be taxing us for all that extra thread.
It's fucked up, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it's fucked up.
It's fucked up, bro.
You know what though? I'm gonna
It
take a
makes
look.
sense. You know what I'm saying? Like 5x the thread, 5x the bread.
Yo, you know what's crazy is I just looked at my order, bro. That you know that jujitsu shirt I got you. Did you see the size on it?
4XL?
No, 6. And it fits you kind of snug.
It wasn't snug, you piece of shit. It was very big. Don't fucking sit here and say it was snug. It wasn't
Bro, it was-
fucking
you,
snug.
you never noticed the size? I went 6XL on it.
Bro, I washed it. It shrunk.
Bro,
I'd washed
you
it.
didn't notice it was a 6X?
I washed it and it shrunk.
Oh man. Logan, we need to get my boy on a plan ASAP, bro.
Fuck you.
I went 6X on the ass and my boy put it on and he was like, damn, this is comfortable.
No, I
Shit
said,
should
wow.
look kind of good on me.
I said, wow, this shirt really shrunk inside the dryer, man. Wow.
Yes, breaking into ore. We got to see if this does a double break back in. I'll take the short. If not, this is still holding.
Well, get ready because hold on, 10 a.m. is coming here in a couple seconds. Get ready for a 10 a.m. This 10 a.m. is either going to rip to the upside and can do a continuation on the bullish trend we have on every time frame is bullish right now, or this 10 a.m. is the reversal. And orb is going to be your free chicken. If SPX and NQ both break down into orb here at 10 o'clock, that's your free chicken, chat. That's your free chicken. I think we see continuation up, but that long's looking really fucking good.
Logan's on one today, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I know that he's lying right now. He said you were in the big seat and that auto reclined, and you didn't have an extended belt, so you were falling out the seat. I'm gonna choose to not believe him because I know. You know, like I'm just gonna choose to not believe him.
I don't know
why
Logan's
lying right now,
bro. Why would you make up a story like that? You were sleeping the whole flight, bro. Why would you even make up a fucking story like that?
Like Max was not falling out of the chair because he was too big for you. I don't believe that.
I was fucking out cold the whole flight, and then he comes and makes up some dumbass story like that. It auto reclined. What flight auto reclines a seat?
And you know it's not a true story when he said there was no extended seatbelt. So what? He just went there without his seatbelt tied. Like the shit would have been beeping the whole time.
Right, like the air lady doesn't see the fattest person in first class and go, "Hey, Bucko, I could see there's no seatbelt. Put it on." Does Max need a seatbelt extender for the airplane, brother? As soon as I sit down, I go, "Hey, sweetheart, gonna need an extra." I do that every single time. But what Logan's saying is bullshit. And then when Lama's on the plane with me, I scream on the top of my lungs, "Hey, my buddy back there needs the double XL seatbelt extender 3000."
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, it's depressing how true that is. And
There goes that 10 a.m.
Yes,
Yeah, watch this 10 a.m. reversal. Watch this 10 a.m. reversal here. It's a perfect prime setup. If SPX breaks 84, 83, 84 back into orb, bye, 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 bye.
You need to see ES get back in there if it's gonna go.
Logan, make up a better story than that, Bucko. If you're gonna make up a story, at least make it realistic. You can't even go on a plane without having your seatbelt on without it beeping.
It's gonna be making noise the whole time, bro. You know how it is when you get in a
the fucking lady, the lady at the front, the little stewardess, her shit would be going bing, bing, bing. You should have seen Logan.
You're really gonna try to tell me that Max was on a plane without a seatbelt extender? Like, brother, I don't believe that.
Nobody believes that.
Don't believe that. We have a super divergence now. NQ is sitting inside orb. ES is breaking away even farther. You know Max needs his extender.
You know I already be in the extender, bro. Ya tu sabes.
I remember we went on a flight and I said, hey miss, can you bring me an extender? Max turns around, hey, my boy need an extender. It's like, God damn, it's motherfucker. I was like, hey, miss.
Yeah, that boy tried to be smooth with it. Hey, you give me a seatbelt this time there? She said, okay, okay. I said, hey, hey, we got a big one.
Oh man, that shit was crazy, bro.
What do you mean you want 2 trays?
Shit had me
Bro,
hella pressed, bro. Hella pressed. I was like, bro, just do it for comfort, honestly.
I know that's right. I know
Just
that's
do it
right.
for comfort.
SPX is
ES
still
needs to
holding
get
this
weak
bullish
here.
in here,
NQ
bro.
is fighting inside, but ES is too far away. So far today, ES has been taking charge. So you have to reason to believe that this is what's going to happen. The breakout. ES has been taking charge all day.
ES has been
Yes,
taking
they're 350 plus. I'm not 350, dumbass. I lost a lot of weight. Okay, buddy. I'm on Ozempic and Retta at the same time. Have
Yeah,
some respect.
I have some respect. My boy's on 6 different shots, twin.
I'm on 6 different shots right now. Have some respect. I look like Logan. I have a weight loss stack.
Lama looks like Charlie Kirk. Fuck. Stop doing this. It's gonna get me in trouble.
Dog, look, it's just like it's NQ's convincing right now. Body closure, 3 body closures under orb. Like I'd love to see it just
Watching it,
kind of
dude. I'm
fall.
watching that like a hawk, but SPX is just fucking being dumb bully. So
It's crazy bully right now.
I like the
Right
short. I like the
now.
short a lot. I like the short. If it gets down to that 300 range again, I'm gonna short.
It's gotta
If it gets
go
down to that
there, bro.
300, oh yeah, if it gets down to 300, I'm going fucking short. I want to see SPX start kind of like turning south a little bit. This shit's just bullish as fuck. There's no cooldown in SPX's game, but there's relative weakness on NQ.
It's a new high on ES again, bro. NQ's
Yeah,
just not going.
NQ is relatively weak as shit, but it's just not. Yeah, it's not getting that squeeze. Where's the
It's
squeeze?
4 body closures right under
Watch
orb.
here. Hold on. Watch. NQ breaks 300. NQ breaks 300. SPX got to climb down just a couple more points. And
Yeah,
SPX
yeah.
is just ripping. It's just going straight up. Straight
There it
up.
is. Hold on. NQ's falling here.
Go.
You
There it
know I'm
goes.
in that. Hold on.
Yeah, it looks
I'm gonna
good.
take a partial, bro. I don't know. The candles is just it's not giving what it needs
Nah,
to give.
it popped right back. It popped
Wow, that was
right back.
beautiful. 20 points down and it just wicked out. What the fuck?
I think it's gonna
Hold
dump. No,
on,
I
is
think
it
it's gonna
getting back
dump.
down
Hold on.
there?
Hold on. SPX just wicked off of a future
Getting
strat
back
2.
down there.
Yep. Bang. Bang. SPX just wicked and dumped right off of Fuge Strat 2. Right off of Fuge Strat 2. That was perfect breach. That was perfect breach right there. One big
I'm gonna
red
pay
right here.
myself there.
One big red stick is all you need to succeed. All I need
Yeah,
is like
I'm
the
gonna pay
sun.
myself there and leave it break even at 10. See if it goes, bro. Fuck it. I don't like the hesitation.
Oh, dump it. Here it comes. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. Good. Dump it. Dump it.
I'll
Dump
take
it.
it to
Dump
at
it.
least 67 at the
Yep.
minimum.
I want to see SPX come back and touch orb right here. If SPX breaks below 85, I'm gonna scale into a short. If SPX can break below 85 here, I'll scale into a
Yes, it's
short.
fighting though, bruh. Like it doesn't want to break back into
There we
orb.
go. There we go. There we go. There we go. SPX breaking
Ludo and
that
NQ,
5.
we might actually get a print back inside.
Uh,
Hold on.
SPX got to clear this 5. Here we go back into orb. We'll get back into that orby.
Bouncing off it again, bruh.
Yep. No, there goes.
I got
Wow.
pulled there. Yep, I got
Yep.
pulled.
I caught a
I
piece
was
of that
able
with
to take off 280 per account, bro. But
you. Yep.
whatever.
Oh, I'm about to rip a fucking long if this wicks back up though.
It's just
Now,
falling back down. Like it just popped up literally right at my entry. I had stopped sitting at 9, it hit 10, and it's back down 10 points.
yep, SPX bullish as fuck. That might be the buy. That might be the buy. If SPX wicks up above now, if it wicks up to 87, I'll push the
I know
fucking
10 NQ shorting, bro. I don't know if that's the buy. It's just down another, literally wicked up, hit entry, and it's 20 points. It's a full strat 6.
oh
20
yeah.
points right here.
Oh yeah, that's looking good. It's probably
Ah,
gonna
off
it
that
probably
one.
pop back. It'll probably test that 300 and pop up again. It usually gives a little BNR. If it dumps right down, that'd be huge. If it breaks 88 here, this thing is gonna fall. But I think we'll pop back up to that 300 real quick.
Okay. And yes, back at orb. Does it break in? Like at this point, it's just gonna go without me, bro. I tested it and I didn't give it.
You didn't give. You didn't give no juicy. Look at that weakness, boy. Look at that weakness.
I'm about to
This
just take my wins and lock off this action as ass. Not a bad idea.
That's a good idea.
Already locked out of most accounts.
There comes the
There's a
300.
300
Here it
tap.
comes. Yep, there goes the 300 tap every time. Every single time. Now let's watch if NQ gets above it or not. Let's watch if NQ gets above that 300 or not. If it does, this is an easy long. This is an easy long right here. We have a W pattern establishing by 310.
Oh,
SPX is
rejection.
failing though. Yeah, SPX
Yeah,
is failing.
yes, looks like it's losing.
Yeah, nope,
That
no.
300 top going for 15 points.
All right, let's ride SPX. Let's ride the short then. Let's ride the short all the way back into orb. Here we go. Let's ride the short to orb. Here we go. Come on. I got my little buzzer.
Damn,
I
look at
got my
that.
little buzzer beater right here. That shit
Yet
dumps.
still not inside though. What the fuck is happening,
Here
bro?
it goes. Here it goes. Come on, SPX. Dump back into orb, baby. Pay the team. Pay the team. Feud 2, feud 3. This is a max way trade. Like if this breaks back in orb, this is the max way short all day, every day. Let's see what happens here. This is like the short of all shorts for me. If we break orb on SPX, this is my grand strategy. It's
Going,
called
bro. I can't believe this little candle pulled me out. That's
big
crazy.
big PP. Big PP
Crazy
short
work.
lined up here. We must break. Oh no. Next structure. I gotta ride this all the way down to like 50 to 59. If this holds below orb, I gotta ride this all the way down to 50, 59. That's gonna be like 70 points, 60, 70 points on the short. It wicked right off of orb. All right, let's see. Let's see if it gets in there or not. Get your sweet ass in that orb. We go from green to red on NQ. That's ugly. Look at NQ going green to red again. Yep. Fighting. There goes NQ. Bang. We're going to hold this all the way down to the 50s. There it goes. There it goes. That's the max way, baby. That's the fucking max way, baby. Easiest 20-point breezy, screezy cover girl. I'm holding it. I want to see at least 50 to 59. This is the max motherfucking way. If it rejects here on SPX, this is a scale in point. You scale in more. You scale in more right here. If it
If this
rejects,
loses, the next level is 215. And then after that, 175. This might be the full move. Gotta break this though. This is a strong area.
If it rejects, move your stops. Move your stops. Don't be a dick about a wick. Move your stops down. And I'm just gonna hold that thing. I want to see SPX reject heavy right now below 62 in a couple quarters. I want to see just a big red rejection. Just a big old red sticky.
Very strong area. Can't believe this shit pulled me like that by
There it
1
goes.
point.
Come on, show me that 59, baby. Show it to me one time for the one time. Give the people what they want.
It's an orb tap and a perfect 50. If it loses this, it's going to be an aggressive move.
SPX just broke back into orb. I want to see NQ lose it. NQ hit that midline. Can we get down to midi? Can we get down to midi on a 3-bar below 60? And we do it. And we do it, chat. Here we go. Here we go. Give me that 59 tap all the way. Big Daddy Max. Here it goes. All the way, baby. Trimming some profit right there. Trimming some profit right there, baby. Let's go.
Beautiful.
Oh.
Good work. Good work. I actually had to sit that out. That's so depressing.
If you hear me say, this is the max way, we're holding the short. We're still holding it. We're still, whoa, let's fucking go, baby.
The next level is going to be
max way.
The next level is going to be 18.
Hold it. Move your stops down to 50 to 59. Move your stops down to 50 to 59. Move your stops
Next
down to
area is here at 19. If it holds under 50, you're good here. Very clean. Very, very clean.
Good shit,
Damn,
everybody.
that shit
Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Next market structure test is going to be down. That next M pattern is at 19 that we're looking to test. At 19, if this holds, NQ popping off a midline could be a place to secure. If it 3-bar dumps below midi on NQ right here, scale in again. Scale in again. Put a stop loss of above orb and stuff. Get ready to scale in again on the short. See if you can fucking jump in. If you got in around 48 and it breaks here, I expect it to take us down to like 19, which is so horny, so horny. And we're looking good. There goes a break. NQ break, SPX break. We're seeing newer lows on the downtrend here. You should be trimming some profit at this point. A break above 50 to 59. A break above 50 to 59. True.
You want to see double body closure here because then it could give that little up, then continue falling. The up move would be healthy, so you got to expect this type of up move, but it's too much. It's giving back like 30 points.
I agree with Lama. Don't you see? Big Daddy Max is cooking with extra gas in my ass.
Man, that fucking shit pulled me out by 1 point. Depressing. Depressing.
This is called a masterclass. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've made profits on the day, can we get a profit roll call? Can we get a profit roll call or use code B? Can I get a profit roll call?
Can we get a profit?
Can we get a profit roll?
A profit. Oh.
A profit roll.
Can I get a profit? Oh, shit.
Hey.
Profit.
Anakin, cut that song. Anakin, cut that song off. Cut it off. Give me the screen, Lama. Give me the screen. It's too good of a day. It's too good of a day. It's too good a day. You know what time it is, chat. You know what time it is, chat.
Get a profit in my bum bum.
Show me the profit roll call. Stretch my hands to you.
Life like this is what your life like. Try to live the life right. People really know you push your buttons like type right. This is like a movie, but it's really very lifelike. Every single night, right? Every single fight, right? I was looking at the gram and I don't even like lights. I was screaming at my daddy, told me it ain't Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee, just like Mike. Looking for a bright light. Seagull, what your life like? Riding on a white bike, feeling like a sight bike. Pressing on the gas, supernova for a night light. Dreaming at my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. But nobody never tell you when you're being like Christ. Only ever seeing me, only when they need me. Like if Tyler Perry made a movie for BT, searching for a deity. Now you wanna see it free, now you wanna see it free. Let you see it 3 apiece. Tell me what your life like. Turn it down a bright light. Driving with my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. I'm just trying to find, I've been looking for a new way. I'm just really trying not to really do the fool way. I don't have a cool way. Being on my best though. Block them on the text though. Nothing else next though.
Get ready for that 19.
So man, it's really life like everything in my life. Arguing with my dad and he said it ain't Christ-like. Man.
Going very close to the next level.
You know it's like
very close to the next level.
What'd you say? Run it back? Stretch my hands to you.
Life like this is what your life like. Try to live the life right. People really know you push your buttons like type right. This is like a movie, but it's really very lifelike. Every single night, right? Every single fight, right? I was looking at the gram and I don't even like lights. I was screaming at my daddy, told me it ain't Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee, just like Mike. Looking for a bright light. Seagull, what your life like? Riding on a white bike, feeling like a sight bike. Pressing on the gas, supernova for a night light. Dreaming at my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. But nobody never tell you when you're being like Christ. Only ever seeing me, only when they need me. Like if Tyler Perry made a movie for BT, searching for a deity. Now you wanna see it free, now you wanna see it free. Let you see it 3 apiece. Tell me what your life like. Turn it down a bright light. Driving with my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. I'm just trying to find, I've been looking for a new way. I'm just really trying not to really do the fool way. I don't have a cool way. Being on my best rock 'em on a text though. Nothing else next though. Not another word, let a picture or a decimal. Wrestling with God, I don't really want to rest. So man, it's really life like everything in my life. Arguing with my dad and he said it ain't Christ like. Man. You know.
Absolutely. $1.99 dono. Max can't be stopped. Tip the staff. Tip the staff. Now watch the reversal, chat, if you really want to get freaky with it.
Could hit
Watch.
that 270.
I wish I was 270 pounds.
Same.
Same.
LOL. WTF.
LOL. Whoa!
Same LOL. OMG.
Have you ever wanted to kiss a dude?
Oh, no. Good rejection. Good tap of the TDO. Didn't have to go 70.
Have you ever
Out to
tried?
bust a quick thanks to Sober Pitchy Plays tip. I gave him a good tip yesterday, Maxie. So you make it a green, you go busted the kneesy.
Oh, oh God, you cooked with that one, twin. What if your
Mhm.
wife catches you out of the shower leaning on her sink?
Nothing happens. Nothing happens. Everything's cool after that.
Tracking.
ORB is king.
Watching SPX right here, in the no man's land, and Q popping up here. It looks like it could break back into structure above 59. 59 was always so I'm watching that 59, but to be honest, I think it's worth possibly exploring another short. Wait.
Can we have your chart back? My fault, Twinsky. My fault, Twinsky.
My fault, blood. My fault, blood.
My fault, Twinsky.
Yeah, there goes the short. There goes the short
My fault,
there.
Twinsky.
That short's looking really, really freaking good.
My fault,
Orb is
Twinsky.
king. Orb is king. You are correct. Orb is king, my boy. Orb is king, my
My
boy.
fault, Twinsky.
Orb is king, my boy. I want to see SPX. All that bullish shit we've seen before seems to be gone, and NQ seems to be dragging hella took us. So potentially another short entry coming up here very shortly in this consolidation area. Very, very potential short area. You need small profit on the short here. You want to see SPX break below 77 and a quarter. SPX break a 77 and a quarter. You get paid, fat boy. You get paid very much, fat. There it goes. I mean, there it goes a little bit right there. That's it. If it breaks the new low, then you can expect it to hit that 19. That's what I was aiming for before. Hit that 19 right on the nose. Let's see if it gets down there or not.
Same.
Let's see. There, let's see. Bang. Look at that. 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 Right off the 19. Somebody stop him.
Oh my God, I didn't even want the best though. Yeah, that's clean, my boy. That's that level I've been talking about, my boy.
My puss, I swear. Shake my puss with you like night. This is what your life like.
Check your
Testing
puss.
that short is looking good here. You can keep holding that short. You can keep holding that short right here. That thing's looking juice-a-looski. Oh my God.
Break
It's
of
still
19 is going to be
hold it.
free
Here we
money.
go.
He's got to
Yep.
break it.
Break the
Call up this
19. Break the
19.
19. We're going down to 75. Break the 19. We go down to 75, chat. So get ready, get set. I'll scale literally all in on a short on the break of this 19 mark right here. Basically, if we make a newer low past 200, I'm going all in on a short, like fucking Max Con. Just because. Right there.
Life like,
Bang.
this is what your life
Wow.
like. This is what
Wow.
your life
Wow.
like.
Wow. 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 Wow.
The
Here we
jumper.
go. Let's ride that thing down. It could fill the whole data candle next, which would be around 74. I think I've already hit consistency on my Lucid, on my Tradeifys, on it. I've hit everything. So I got the fundeds, I got the evals cooked.
It's got to really breaks 90. You're gonna see the full move down to 29,100.
Tonight, I got
It's
a
got to
full
break that.
payout coming. I got a full payout coming tonight. All I need is one more trading day and a banger, and I should have a full payout coming.
Got my hand deal. Life like this is what your life like.
All right. Today's total in evals and fundeds 80,000 plus 35 plus another 62. So that's 35 and 62. That's like 40. So 120,000. Yesterday was 167,000. And I'm almost all funded across the board again. And I'm completely done for the day. I'm done for the day. I did it. I did it. I make a profit sexual. Start dropping some giveaways. Man, I love Tradeify's new branding. I'm not gonna lie, Tradeify went crazy with the new branding. I think it's so fucking fire. It's very appealing. It's easy. It looks like it's gonna. To me, that tells me they're going bigger, even bigger. So who knows what Brett's cooking? Who knows what Coach Brett Simba's cooking in the kitchen? But that new branding,
Yeah.
that new branding to me, bro, that tells me they're going public in 5-10 years.
It's officially 100 points for my first entry. Damn.
There goes the short, looking real good. You could keep holding the short, break that 200 chat, and hold the short down to 74. 55 to 74 is final PT on the short. Since the break back into orbit, we officially have a 100-point trade. Officially hit a 100-pointer. It's no big deal. It's no big deal.
That shit was screaming go short. 1, 2, 3, 4
See,
candles right
I
there.
call Brett Coach because he taught me how to play League of Legends. And then we call each other Coach. I think every friend group has one person they call Coach.
Got to.
Do you have a friend that you call Coach, Lama?
Yeah, the little black kid that does the shows at 6 o'clock.
All right, so let's get those likes give up on the YouTube. I feel like I haven't given a. Let's get that YouTube likes up because Big Daddy's about to start dropping some, I don't know.
It's a full break under this midline. Very interesting. Very interesting now. Very, very interesting now here, chat.
Tradeify also did an August bundle reload.
There goes bottom side orb. Just like that, from top side to bottom side. Very clean.
I did the reload. What is that? The 300Ks? They did a reload on the 300Ks?
Yeah, they brought back 300s.
Oh no, they reset the monthly bundle purchase limit. So if you hit your limit with Tradeify, you get 5 additional bundle purchases right now until the end of the week with an extra 5% off. So if you need to bundle up and get some Tradeify accounts, they just reset it. If you are not able to buy Tradeify accounts, you are now able to reset and buy Tradeify accounts. And in respect to what they do and how they be doing it,
The breakthrough orb. Interesting.
I'm finna drop some Tradeify accounts.
Insta breakthrough orb. Very interesting.
Don't. Final PT almost hit, baby. Actually, no, there it is. We did it, chat. 140 points. 135 points. We did it, baby, all the way down to the PT. Oh, it hit my final PT. Max, please. How do you do it? How is the Max way so strong? You knew it was going to be a 10 a.m. reversal, Max. Then you took the short back into orb, and then you scaled in 3 times and rode at 135 points. Max, how? How? Oh. Be honest. Is there any dudes in the chat who get a little fucking aroused by me? Is there any dudes in the chat who get a little aroused by me?
Me. I get hella aroused. I have extra boner.
Like the way Lama said he was going long this morning, I smashed the long button just as fucking hard. Car wash guys here. I gotta get the Rolls Royce, the big truck, and the range. Probably I'll have to leave the house, so make sure those 3 get done, please, because I gotta put them. I gotta get rid of them for the when they redo the driveway. Lama told me to go long this, and I was gonna go long already. And so when he said that, I got long. You know what I'm saying? On my schlong and with Lama. So like when you guys, I said this before, and if you're new here, if I ever say this is the max way trade on the break back into orb, that shit's got like a fucking 91% hit rate. You go ham on that. You go ham on that. So I hope you guys had a great day today. I hope everyone did. If you did not, you should use code BDM. Use code BDM and look at the Rogue. Rogue rode that shit 140 points. Wish you ride me like that. All right, let's get a giveaway going.
Nice, good shot.
Like
yeah,
that?
I mean, it was kind of screaming at us. Like, I don't know, the sure was kind of screaming at us. It's kind of like, please take me to the power, take me to the promised land. Please take my cheeks. And I was like, whoa, hey, slow down there, Bucko. You know,
$9.99 dono locked out a 90-point trade Asia sesh. I come back entertainment NFA lock in FN. I like that out of you, boy.
Lock in FN.
I like that out of you, my boy. We got 187 likes on the YouTube, but we called out 270 points. So need 90 more likes. 90 more likes. Let's get some likes going on the YouTube. You know what? I'm going to go take a piss. And if I come back and there's not at least 270 likes on the YouTube, I'm just going to end the stream. And there's going to be no giveaways. Don't.
Bring back into orb looks promising.
I'm in booty shorts right now, and they are rode up and in my ass crack. So I'm going to have to slide.
Nice. And I'm going to leave that like that. See what happens. Pretty solid work, boys and girls. Pretty solid work. Sniped the long and sniped the short back down. Very crispy. Very crispy. And that's called a that's what we like to call a wind back el tapo, por favor. Wind back the tape. ES was kind of trolling us, but NQ was just telling us for 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, we're probably gonna reject orb here. And it did. From top side to bottom side. Full target I have is down here. But this orb break back in could potentially, if this 1 minute candle holds right now, the next minute could potentially take it back up to maybe midline. Something. Don't know yet. Oh, that's fire. I rewind the tape shit's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. Very solid. Very, very solid. Sniped along up, 150 points, sniped along down, got pulled. Got literally pulled right here on the break even. Very unnecessary move, by the way, but whatever. Lifelike, this is what you're a lifelike. I'm trying to shake your booty. Very, very solid day. I'm not gonna lie to you. Very solid day. Very solid day. I have 2 micros in on this long. seeing if it goes or not. So far, this is the criteria. This is entry, and stops pretty minimal. It's like less than a 10-point SL. I'm filled in at 79 with a stop at 75. 4 points.
It's like the longest piss in my life. And my shit ain't that big. So when you be pissing long like that, it's $10 dono from Mr. Stamper88. D-Gens, mount up, hit that like button, and tip the staff.
How the fuck it take you longer to piss than to shit? Because he has a very loose noose.
Why do you always say that?
Why do you never disagree?
What? How am I supposed to know if my butthole's loose?
It's your butthole.
What's the standardized measurement that we're using against it?
You can stick 3 fingers inside of yours. That's a problem.
No, you can't.
You get a prostate check, it takes 14 seconds.
No, you cannot stick 3 fingers in my butt, dude.
No, you can stick 3 of your fingers, which is like 5 of a regular person.
3 is not doing anything for me. All right.
20 points of profit, by the way. Taking it right back up.
All right. Let's get a. What are the likes at? 322. Let's get
trails to
giveaway.
81.
150 on the clock. Code word is Brett Simba. Brett Simba. Code word live on the YouTube. Type in the word Brett Simba on the YouTube right now for your chance to win a 50K Tradeify select account daily payout. Ya tu sabe, you know the deal. All right, so you want to hear a funny story?
Yeah, go ahead.
Logan was not lying. I did not have a seatbelt.
That's very dangerous. We're popping back up 25 points in profit.
Here's what happened. I just didn't wear a seatbelt. They didn't say shit to me. And I never asked for the extender. I just forgot. I was on inclines, so I was banged up. The seat I was in was broken. It was broken. So the recline button was like permanently pushed in. So if I leaned back, it leaned back with me. So it was just permanently broken. So I pass out, bro. Before takeoff, you know how I do. I pass the fuck out. But when we start landing,
you're already sleeping. Yeah.
When we start landing, we hit a little turbulence. So, bro, I got no seatbelt on, and the first class seat's big. It's a little slick. My shit does this. I'm sitting up, right? They're like, can you put your seat up? I'm like, it's broken, but yeah, I'll lean up. But then we hit a little turbulence, and I hit one of these in the airplane seat because I got no belt on.
That way hit one of these.
And my shit's leaning back. And so I start sliding out of the fucking seat. And I'm like this. I'm like, all right. And we're going down to land. So we're moving down quick. But I'm sitting there. I'm bouncing off the seat in front of me. I'm like slapping Logan. I'm like, hey. Should have me sliding off the fucking seat, bro. I'm like, yo, this fucking chair is busted. That shit was funny as fuck. Hey, sitting there like this, getting ready to land. What the fuck? Man, it was embarrassing. It was embarrassing.
Oh my god, I still into this trade, and it's fucking playing out pretty clean right now.
All the people behind me were like, look at the fat guy in first class. Look at the massive fat guy in first class. He's slipping, sliding. How funny is that?
I'll close that trade. Max, I gotta get out of here in probably like 10 minutes.
Yep, I'm doing givvies. I'm smashing givvies, and
take a partial here, guys. If you jumped in that long.
No, gee, I know what you're talking about. Normally, my big ass thighs would hit the button. Congratulations, Trader Tyler. Trader Tyler.
If you're in that long, next level is going to be midline here. This is room for another 70 points. We're already up over 40 points in profit. 50 points, actually. Take a partial here and see if we go to midline. Very strong level with ES as well. So you want to see kind of it get broken. There's, oh my God, ripped right through it. There's midline. Take another partial. See if this can potentially
All right.
test this up here at 70. That'll be a quick 100 points.
Type in
Another
code
100.
word. The Big Daddy Morning Show on YouTube right now is live. Type in the Big Daddy Morning Show. Me and Llama went fucking berserk for you guys today. And we do it 100% free every day. We do it 100% free every day for thousands of people. Thousands of thousands.
Line on ES and NQ, you gotta take a partial here. This is fucking rolling right now. 50 points. You want to put a trail, honestly, like at 12. Pay yourself, leave a runner. If it's gonna 50 points, so you don't need to be too heavy. Wow.
If you didn't watch my video on my reaction video today, you know what's so funny? Is I literally traded my reaction video's explanation today. If anyone saw my react video today, I literally traded that bitch. Who made me a fat fuck? Teddy, I'm getting sick of your shit, Teddy. I'm getting sick of your shit, bruh.
This guy says, yo, Llama, my boss came to my desk at 9:30, resulting in me missing the first 5 minutes. Now I blew my account. What should I do next? Quit trading.
Yeah, you got to quit trading. Unfortunately, that's the only.
Give up. Just give up, brother. Your boss took the trade. Your boss was in at 9 to 9:30. I was already in this long pre-market over here at 9:20. So there was no long called unless you heard me say I'm in long right before market exploded. You missed that. That's fine. 5 minutes went by. This midline bounce pretty clean. I feel like we talked about this going up. It went up to 310, which was my full target on long. Once it hit the 310, we had a room. You had time for this short where I said we've rejected 1 minute, we've rejected 2 minutes, we've rejected 3 minutes. Then I said, you know what, I'm going to click the short, and then it rejected for a 4 minute, and then it made this. And then finally, ES broke into orb at 10:09. So you really had about to get into this short that played out for over 150 points. And then you were able to get into the continuations down here that Max continued to jump into. This long that I literally said this criteria just presented, and it's retapping entry, and it's a 4-point SL. You could have jumped into that. But if you blew your account, I would give up trading. Realistically, I would just give up, because I feel like the walkthrough, it wasn't just like, oh, hey guys, I'm in. I said, hey, I'm in it, because I was already in pre-market. But this, I was here hesitating, saying, really good. You had time here where Max kept saying, this is looking like it's going to continue, playing clean off the levels. And then here, I kind of walked down this whole entry right here, saying, here it's playing out, here it's retapping, here it's a very good risk reward. If you're over trading, that's a you problem, brother.
Congratulations, Bam, SKTK2 giveaway. 150 seconds on the clock. Code word is so sexual. So sexual is live. That's what me and Llama. Sexual. You've never seen anything sexual as me. I promise you that.
Bang,
Someone make me
look how the levels play out, bro. This is fucking.
Someone make me an AI photo. I haven't
Bang,
posted an AI photo in a couple weeks now. Someone
good one.
someone give me a Big Daddy Max AI photo.
Let's
Which one
a
are
good
you?
one.
Let's get a good one going. Whoever wins is gonna. Who's got me deep throating a fucking glizzy like that? What the? Ew. Nope. Wait, am I Caitlin Clark Kirk? Holy fuck. Who the fuck made me Caitlin Clark Kirk? Nah. Who the actual fuck? You guys are Dog the Bounty Hunter?
They made you Max the bounty hunter.
I am the dog, the big bad dog. Dog the bounty hunter. All right, let's get G Profeta. Let's get an indicator to G Profeta for making me Max Caitlin Clerk or Kirk. Let's get who made me motherfucking Anarchy, you piece of shit, dude. Anarchy, you fucking piece of shit, dude. Made me a fat Asian. Okay.
Wow, they put you in the full. Wow. Like, bro, guys, you guys can't disrespect Max. he served for our country.
I served my country just for the chat to make this.
Dan
Nah,
B fucking Jesus Christ, they got Dan. That's not even Dan, that's Doc. It's not Dan, that's Doc, bruh.
why they got that's Doc?
That's Doc. That's just says
Mr. Pop.
Dan, bruh.
Why they got him doing that? Stop it. Why you got him doing that? Oh my god. Guys, type in the word so sexual on the YouTube and get yourself a free trade of 550K ago. Arr. Bro,
What's on that tray, bruh?
why would I be
Why you
eating
got
peanuts,
peanuts on
bro?
the tray?
Why would I be eating peanuts, bro? Dan said all whites look the same, and Jay Hooligan said they all look the same.
Right at the same time.
I didn't
And
believe
that's
that.
back to statement.
Honestly, I never believed that until you're in MEPS when you join the military and they put you all in a bland uniform and everyone's head is shaved completely the same. You have no fucking idea who's who. Not a clue.
They do that? They line you all up and shave all your heads?
Yep.
Looks like the Aryan Brotherhood.
That looks like some fucking Big Daddy Max.
And why
Big
is it
Daddy
funny that
Max.
he has so many of these like cosplay pictures of Priscilla? Like there's a bunch of AI generated pictures of Priscilla.
I don't know. God damn it. Fucking
Eesh, you were a big body.
that's not real, bruh.
Are you sure it looks real?
Oh yeah, you think the next one is of me real too? And they made me fuck boo?
Any advice to help? Just push the button instead of missing your entry and watching the market go your way. Brother, if you miss the entry, you don't take the trade. It's very simple. I literally was in this short.
Who made
I
Llama
told you I
Ursula?
break even and I watched it go
Who
for
made,
over 150
who made
points.
Llama Ursula like that? What's that face? Who made Llama
Brother,
Ursula?
that's not me. That's you, dumbass.
That's you.
Look at the ginger with the ponytail up top. That's you. And that's not Ursula. That's the Pokemon.
That's me.
That's the Pokemon. Jinx. That's Jinx. That's you, dumbass. Look at the fucking man bun up top.
I'm about to rip a $100 Pokemon and right now. And if it's not,
Nah,
and
you
if
see,
it's
this
not,
is
and if it's
getting out
not
of
Jinx,
hand, bro.
if it's not Jinx, this guy's banned.
Bro, Max's build does not look like that. You guys are disrespecting my boy.
Ew, what'd you do to my fucking neck? What's wrong with my fucking neck?
Getting real sick and tired of that disrespect today, bro. Getting real sick and tired of like, bro, called out hella breach today.
I asked them to make a fun fucking picture for me to put on the X, and they made me obese Black Adam.
I mean, brother, at least it's Black Adam. That's kind of what Martin Luther King.
Bro, if I was skinny, I would look fucking liberal. I would never do that.
You would look treacherous.
Yeah, I would never want to be a skinny person like Logan. It looks unhealthy and gross. I would never want to be skinny like Logan. You look liberal. You look gross. Your pathetic little skinny legs, right? Like, oh, Big Daddy Morning Show cover girl, the modern Renaissance man. Who the fuck made that?
I love how they got him with the duck lips, looking so clean.
Bro,
Like,
the hobby pay to play still cracks me up. The hobby, my 1,000-pound life.
it's getting out of hand, bro. It's getting hella out of hand.
No, y'all are bullshitting. Y'all are bullshitting.
Made you the Tiger King. Wow. Wow.
Yeah. All right.
Max
You guys are
exotic.
That's more like it. Man of the year, extra sexual. This is more like it. Yo, I look fine as fuck in that picture, dog. I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking good in that picture, boy. Look at A1 in that picture. I'm looking A1 in that picture. Nah. What's this? You made me a fat midget? With what is that? Why is my arm so short?
What do you say, fat midget? It's just midget.
No, he's big as hell. I'm done with y'all, bro. I'm done with y'all. For real, I'm
Oh, they
done.
made you a blimp now.
Who made me a fucking blimp? Who even does this? The fuck? Who made
I
me a
don't know,
fucking
bro.
bro?
Shit's getting out of hand, bro.
All right, you know what? I'm gonna do one more giveaway. 150 on the clock. Use code BDM. Use code BDM is live on the sick bastards. You sick bastards. Type in use code BDM for more, baby. Use code BDM for guys. Great show, great day. Me and Lama started off with Lama going absolutely berserk. 3 for 3. I hit a banger. Lama came back with another banger. What an excellent, excellent show. We're finally reunited and it feels so good. Reunited, Llama touches his wood. Make sure you guys remember nothing we do is financial advice. It's all entertainment purposes only. NFA, we're presented by the Max Options Trading Network, the greatest network in the fucking world for trading entertainment. If you want to learn how to trade and cook like my boy Lama Rep Pajama, I suggest you check out Pay to Play University. The fuck is that? Okay. Check out Trade it. Check out Pay to Play University and the exclusive pre-market all the students with coach. If you want to learn the Max way, the Maxtermind is the only baby. Check out the Maxtermind and learn the Max way. You can get everything together in the sauce with Futures One. Make sure you guys check out all the indicators, everything we offer. Max Options Trading Cards is live. Make sure you guys tap into Trading Wheels, Power Hour, Happy Hour, and then London with Luca, baby. We got a full lineup of great programming for you guys today. We got a great day of programming for you guys. Remember to tip the staff. Tip the staff. They work completely off of tips and Priscilla's big old tits. Make sure you guys tip the staff and use code BDM, guys. If you want to continue to support the #1 network in the world, all that we need you to do is use code BDM. Use code BDM, and we can continue to give back more than anybody in the entire world to our fucking community. We appreciate you and your support. What a wonderful day. What a wonderful show. Absolutely went fucking berserk. And yeah, really can't ask for a better day than this. So great job, Big Daddy Llama.
Great fucking day today, guys. Remember, all we asked for is tip the staff. They were completely free. They answer over 250 support tickets weekly. All types of questions resolved for you. Beautiful day today, guys. Levels played out expeditious, beautiful. 786 before market open with the fire offs. Take it up. We went over this yesterday and the day before. Zero equilibrium, strong area. If we don't break over it, we don't go to good rejection off of it. Right back down, top side or bottom. Very clean today. Very nasty work. Winner of the giveaway right there, Han Walton. Open a support ticket. Congratulations, guys. If you see any of the educators on social media like Javi, even Max's other page, Max Options Trading, feel free to give them a like, comment, subscribe, a follow, repost it. Helps us out, guys. We appreciate it. We love y'all. And if you're going to buy any code B on every single platform, and if you're on TPT, you can use P2P. That's how we can get accounts, give away to you guys, so we can stay the reigning champs on the giveaways in this industry. Nobody is beating us on the accounts we give away because we love our community that much, guys. Love y'all. We appreciate y'all. Make sure to go tune into we're in 10 minutes, followed into Power Hour, then going into then London Highs, guys. Gonna be a great day. Accounts are given away during programming and a lot of education, psychology, and live. So make sure to go tune in, guys. We appreciate y'all. Good shit today, my boy.
You killed it, bro. You fucking absolutely killed it. And a gay kick fire on them hoes, baby. Was trading wheels. We'll be back tomorrow. We love you.
Coffee steam and a green candle. Big Daddy Max with his hands on the handle. Charts up like a stained glass panel. Preaching price levels, lighting up the channel. Verse 15, y'all, that's the line. Opening range, mark horizontals in white. If it rips past high, he's riding that flight. If it snaps that low, he's shorting on sight. Let's go.
It's that Big Daddy morning show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
Entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy morning show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet, yo.
Lama, red pajama on the cam. Laughing while he draws those levels on the span. Golden line swing like a church choir stand. Pull back, hit the mark, that's a gift, that's a plan. Fibs on the move, he hums like a hymn. From the swing to the wick, watch the retrace swim. If it holds that zone,
He's all in with a grin.
if it cracks that floor,
He's dancing out again. Step out. It's that Big Daddy morning show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
gospel in the game.
Hallelujah, holler on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet, yo. Big Daddy morning show. From the bell to the close, watch the candles glow. Aiming in the chat when the trend takes hold. Most entertaining show on the internet, yo. Candles talk, what they saying? They say trend strong, y'all keep praying. Which shout, what they showing? They show turnarounds, time to get going. Red to green, congregation stand. Green to red, they clap their hands. Even in a loss, they sing that song. Right edge, right wrist, we'll be strong. It's that Big Daddy morning show. Praise hands up when the profits grow.
Gospel in the game.
In the game on the floor. Most entertaining thing on the internet.